my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming at you with a haul. So I recently went shopping at Sephora and the drugstore. Alright, so let's begin. I'm gonna start off with this guy. I got the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for Dry Parched Skin. This is by First Aid Beauty. And this, I honestly love this so much. I used it the past 2 nights. It smells nice, and like on my skin, it hydrates and moisturizes the hell out of my skin. I put it on my skin 2 times a day. One during the day and one at night, maybe 3 times actually. One in the morning, one during the day, and before I go to bed. And when I wake up, it's like a freaking baby's bottom. I highly recommend this product. Thank you, First Aid Beauty, for making this. So next I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Setting Spray. I'm British now. So I actually had this one before. This is Urban Decay by Scandinavia. It smells decent. A lot of people say it smells really good. It smells fresh, if that makes sense. It's a fresh smelling setting spray. Yeah, so I've had this one before and I really liked it, so I went to go pick up another one. Yes, queen. So next I got this Tarte brush. This is a double-ended high performance brush. It's actually quite nice. I've used it before. Now it's full of dust. Oh, gross. So it looks like this. One end's like pointed and one's just normal and flat. I actually like this. I've used this last night, I want to say, and it's pretty good. Next I'm going to show you this. I got this Tarte Lip Bling. It's actually quite gorgeous. This is in high standards. And girl, if you wearing this, you better have some high standards. So it looks like this is in a really cute blingy bottle. I'll just blop it on for you. So next I got this Amazonian by Tarte 12-hour clay. It looks like this little guy right here. So I'm actually not a fan of this and I am going to be returning it. I'm wearing it right now with the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. Mixed together, it works really well on my skin, but on its own, it's very like chalky and like plotchy and just doesn't blend well with my skin. So for that, it is going back to Sephora, and I wanted to pick up the Rainforest Water Foundation. Rainforest, I think that's what it's called. That's what I originally wanted to pick up, but the girl was like, no, you'll like this one, and I was like, okay, sure, but then, yeah, no, I don't like it, so I'm gonna return it and pick up the water foundation instead. Hopefully I like that one better. I feel like I will. It's more hydrating. Yeah, so next, this is like a little goodie bag. I'm just so excited. So then I picked up the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Potion. I've actually had a mini sample, like the ones that came in like the plastic like cover and you like rip it and like squeeze it out. That's what I had. I actually really liked it, so I wanted to go pick it up. Yeah, looks like this. So then I went to go and pick up the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer. It's in the cute bottle like my other Urban Decay All Nighter. Same bottle for foundation and concealer. I actually do really like this product. I am wearing it right now. Yeah, it's very like highlighting and glowing and just like makes your face look very fresh. I haven't tried the Tarte Tape Shape So apparently they are very similar. I do want to eventually try the Tarte Tape Shape. I just have to go into the States to get it because they don't have it at Sephora here or at the drugstore. So yeah, problem. Yeah, so if you do end up getting this product, make sure you sample it on your hand, a few different shades, and just walk around the store for like a good 10-15 minutes and let it fully dry because it does darken intensely. So then I picked up this unicorn essence, and I have yet to try this product, but I do see it everywhere. So I wanted to give it a go. Hopefully it's really nice because everyone's hyped up about it, and I did pick up the mini version just in case I didn't like it. It does have a little shimmer to it, which is okay. It could add like a dewy look to your skin. Feels very hydrating though on my skin. I do like the smell, and the bottle is super cute. Okay, so the directions say apply to clean face before moisturizer, may be used as a primer before makeup application, caution, discontinue use to redness or irritation. Yeah, well, you don't want to do that in general. So if it's irritating your skin, just wash it off. Yeah, the lady at the store did tell me that you can use this at night, but it has sparkles and I don't want to get sparkles all over my bed. So it's probably a bad idea. I probably won't be doing that. So the next thing I got was the Too Faced Prime Set Refresh Spray, setting spray. I did use that today in the beginning of my makeup. It actually feels very fresh and smells like coconut. It's made with coconut water, so therefore it smells amazing. Smells so good. So the next thing I picked up from Sephora was the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, and I also used this today as well. It looks like this. I picked up the smaller sizes because I wasn't sure if I would like the products, but if I do end up liking them over a period of time once this finishes, I will obviously pick up the full bottle. So then, from Shoppers, I picked up a little brush from Stella. This is Stella Brush 28. It is a smudge and liner brush. I actually do really like it. It's good for like cut creases, I feel. That's why I wanted to pick it up because I didn't really have a precise brush for that. So this is really good for that. So I did use this today for this wingy cut, whatever you want to call it, crease. It actually was very precise and helpful. The next thing I picked up was the Stella Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. I'm wearing this also today. I actually do love it a lot. It is a very thin tip, and I just got this in the black tone. No sparkle, matte. It's everything I ever wanted. Okay, so from the drugstore, I grabbed everything from Stella, I don't know what people call it. So the next thing I picked up was Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in Kitten Karma. Looks like this. And it's actually very adorable. And I will swatch it on my hand for you. They're very pigmented. And then I also picked up another one. This is in Diamond Dust. The bottle looks like that. And I am wearing Diamond Dust today. So this one here is like a rosy gold color, and the one underneath is like a silver gold, if that makes sense. But they're both very beautiful colors. I also wanted to pick up another one. I want to pick up Sea Siren, and it's a very gorgeous pinky color, but when it moves, it has like a blue to it. But they didn't have it, so I might have to order it online. And it wasn't in Sephora either, which kind of sucks, so I have to find it somewhere else. And then from Shoppers, the drugstore, whatever you want to call it, they gave me for free. This bag right here says, for you. Pour vous. And then inside it came with a whole bunch of friggin' samples. Like, thank you, lady that was working that day. Thank you very much. I love your freaking heart and soul. Okay, so let's take a look what I got in here. I haven't opened it yet. I do see the Pour cream. I've had that before. It's really nice. So it came with this little anti-wrinkle cream, I want to say. It says warm, 1 pearl size, drop between hands, then press gently to skin. May require extra pumps to prime or first use. Okay, cool. I mean, I'm not wrinkling yet, but when I do, I could use this. This is a little bottle it came in. That's actually quite a good size. The next thing I got was this Black Pine 3 Sculpting, Firming, and Lifting Super Eye Serum. Cool. So the bottle looks like that. I think this is a wash. Like when you wash your face, you apply this. So it looks like this little guy right here. Then next I got this City Smart Double Action Detox Peel Off Mask. Cute. So next I got this Being by San Katari Spa. I think that's how you say it. Not too sure. This is Cloudberry and Lychee Blossom. This is also in a really good sized tube. Let's give it a sniff. Ooh. Okay, don't squeeze too hard because a lot comes out. Warning, warning. Yeah, so it says body lotion, so I'm gonna just body it all up. This is by Vichy. It says skin sensitive, hyperallergenic, Vichy thermal spa water. I have no idea what you do with this. It does not say. And next I got the Saint Tropez Gradual Tan Plus Luminous Vial. This is Everyday Illuminating Face Cream. Okay, natural youthful glow. It's actually in a big bottle as well. The sizes in here, some of them are really good. Some of them are quite small, but a lot of them are good sized. I don't know if it's just mixed with this cream or if it's by itself. It kind of smells like chocolate, but I could be totally wrong. Next is this Biotherm Plumping Smoothing Moisturizing Treatment. Oh, the bottle is really cute. There's not a lot in it because it's see-through and I can see it. Looks like this. It's a really cute ombre bottle. Plumping, Smoothing, Moisturizing Treatment. Plumping, every plump. Maybe it says for every skin type, but like I was gonna say maybe lips. There's no directions on here though. So I got a little lipstick. That's fun. It looks like it's red. Oh, it's by Clinique. I like Clinique. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, it doesn't go on red though. Oh, that is very weird. It looks red, but then when it goes on, it's kind of like a purple red. Let's see if you can see this. So if you can see that, how I see it, it's like a purpley pink red. But then when you look at the tube itself right here, it's like red. And like, but then like the stick itself is red, but when you put it on your skin, it's like a totally different color. Look at. It is a really cute color, but it's just like very odd. I was expecting like red and like the color is cherry pop. It's called cherry pop, but like this ain't a cherry pop. It's probably what this is for. This is probably telling me everything I need to know about every product. Yeah, it is. So discover Lancome Serum for younger looking and radiant skin. The first step in everyday beauty routine. This serum targets the 10 key signs of youthful looking skin for clinically proven results. So I guess this is just like on your face, morning routine. Next is a Smashbox. Ooh. Let's look in my thesaurus. Oh, this is a red lipstick as well. So let's compare the two reds next to each other. So there's the reds next to each other. You can definitely tell this one's a more pinky purple than this one down here. This one is definitely more of a red. So I do like the lipsticks. Those are super cute. Okay, so I don't even know how to say this product's name, so I'm not gonna try and butcher it. This is to be used, apply in the morning and evening. It's a cleanser for your skin to protect and shield damaged skin. So next is this pore primer by Benefit. I've used this before. It actually does minimize pores a lot. I'm not gonna use this. Why am I blurry? I'm so sorry. I'm not gonna use this though because I know my mom wanted it, so I'm gonna give her this little sample and see if she likes it. Okay, so this guy right here is a Oxford blue. Okay, there's a lot of French words in this, so I think it's a perfume. It doesn't really say what it is in that, so I'm gonna just open it. So it's in this little tube here. Oh. It's for men. It's men. I just sprayed this and now I smell like boy. It's men's cologne. Oh, this is so adorable. This is a little perfume bottle, but it's like so little. It's so little. Look at it. It's so cute. It's so small. Hopefully this is for girls. I'm gonna put it on and hopefully I don't smell like a boy. I don't even know how to explain the smell. It's like a flowery, cotton candy, fruity, all mixed together. If that makes sense, but it does smell very nice. This is Lancome. This iconic feminine fragrance. See, this men's fragrance didn't say men's fragrance, so I just went ahead and sprayed it on me, and now I smell like cologne. Like, not fair. La Via est Bella is a universal declaration to the beauty of life. Oh, how sweet. It's created by 3 of France's leading perfumes. So that makes sense. It does smell like 3 different smells combined into one, which I did say earlier. Okay, some of these names, like if I butcher them, like I am so sorry because I have no idea how to say it. This is La Roche-Posay Ultra Gentle. This is a makeup remover water. Just in a little tube like this. And that's it. The last thing in here is a Clarins by Paris Extra Firming Jour Wrinkle Control Firming All Day Cream. All skin types. Okay, so that concludes the video of everything that I purchased or have gotten. I hope you enjoyed everything that you saw. So also comment below if you used any of the small samples that I've gotten, letting me know what you thought about them, if they were good, bad, Also let me know if you like anything that I purchased from Sephora, and then if you wanted to see how I did this look right here with some of the new products that I got, this video will be coming out next. So hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so you can see exactly when I upload my videos. Don't forget to give this a good old thumbs up, and can't wait to see you next time. Goodbye, my beautifuls.
Freaking no! Oh, hell nah. I just got it all over my pants, like everything that was on my hand.